Hi, I'm Scott Wingerter. I specialize in hip and knee replacement, and today we're going to be focusing on how to prepare your home after joint replacement. So it's important to get the house ready before you come home from joint replacement, because once you come home, you're going to be in recovery mode and you want everything set and ready when you get there. So a couple things that we want to think about to get ready for is clearing any potential fall hazards, securing anything that may lead to a risk when you do get home. We also want to think about the potential of where we're going to be in a comfortable area, as well as limiting stairs if possible. One of the most common tripping hazards is going to be rugs. This is something we're going to look out for and make sure that they're nice and secure to the floor, and if they're able to be removed, that's even easier. We also want to declutter all of the area from the floors so that you have a nice, safe walking path. As it relates to eating after surgery, you're hopefully able to get up and get around and prepare meals. It's always nice to have help if available. Some patients would like to prepare meals ahead of time or have things set and planned so that they don't have to do as much work. In general, if we have the ability to walk into a shower or into a tub, that's going to be much easier than having to step into a tub. Many patients like to have a shower chair in order to be able to sit while in the tub as well. We don't have to have anyone home with us after surgery. Many patients are able to go home alone after this surgery. It is very nice to have help if available, to have someone around to check in and assist you with things that you might need help with around the house. As it relates to pets after surgery, many patients want to have them home and around, but we obviously need to be careful about them jumping up and getting in our way and potentially causing a fall hazard as well. If you need any further information about preparing your home after joint replacement or to schedule an appointment, please call or visit our website today. We look forward to taking care of you.